From the Library of Congress in Washington, D.C.
Down by the old mill stream, there's a shady fishing pool, where lads find time to drop a line before they go to school.
We go to school for knowledge, we study and recite, and this is how we always start our day out right. Chest out, stomach in, that's the way you should begin. A little brushing here and there is beneficial to the hair.
Children now are very wise. They do a dental exercise with your fingers, not your thumbs. Practice to massage your gums. First above and then beneath. Takes good care of all your teeth.
Keep in mind this little rhyme and keep your teeth a long, long time.
School's dismissed. Let's get a regular fellow son. Oh, my, a nice girl. Come on, Bobby. Have a Sunday.
Oh, I can't. My father won't let me.
Well, then, let's go fishing.
No, my father won't let me. Oh, gosh. Oh, gee. You're cute as you can be. You poor little dog. You come on home with me. My daddy won't let me have a dog. I'll clean you up all nice and bright. Then he'll think you're quite all right. Soap and water will make you neat. Then I'm gonna brush your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. Keep away all tooth decay. And like my other little chums, you also must massage your gums.
Gum massage. Bah. I told you never to bring a dog into this house. Get that mutt out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here, you. You go to bed without your supper. Then maybe you'll learn to obey your father. It's time you grew up and quit acting like a baby. I don't know what's the matter with that boy. Why, when I was a boy, I learned... Oh! I told him to put those skates away. This time I'll teach him a lesson that he won't forget. Bobby! Bobby!
I guess we got it now. Yeah, we should be waiting. I think it
That was easy. Now we got the old crab apple. Stop staring so much and do something to help. All right.
They took him to the land of gnomes where elves and pixies have their homes. And in a very little while the father will come up for trial. The jury all had gathered, the lawyers too were there, and everything was ready for a trial fair and square.
A peeping Tom, eh?
Elves of all description were waiting patiently, because the case in Pixie Court is lots of fun to see.
Here comes the fuss. Here comes the judge.
Guilty! Guilty!
Here comes the judge.
Here comes the judge! Here comes the judge!
The prisoner is charged with being neurotic and erratic. He's very childlike in his views. He's also charged with static.
He's nervous and perfidious, his knowledge is insidious. In fact, his manner with his boy is absolutely hideous.
Excuse me. I'm going to serve you. I'll smash you.
I object.
We all object to the lies about our client. He hasn't got a childish brain. The man's a mental giant.
He's a mental giant. He's a mental giant.
Order! Call a first witness. Call a first witness.
Yeah!
Do you solemnly swell? Do you solemnly tear? Do you twirl the cell and toot the toot? Oh, let it go, let it go, let it go. Tell in your own words what the defendant did.
He said he hit him.
He said he kicked him.
He said he hit him, and then he kicked him.
Order! What's the matter here? You can't do that. What's the idea here? What?
He hires lawyers that are bums, and he don't even massage his gums.
We all agree it's plain to see the man has no mentality.
He spent 4 years in college.
But still he has no knowledge.
Perhaps no dental knowledge.
He has no mental knowledge.
Mental, dental, it's inconsequential.
He's childlike in his dental knowledge. Childlike in his mental knowledge. Though he spent 4 years in college, still he's childlike in his knowledge. And we agree he's guilty as can be. Guilty, though he went to college. He's childlike in his knowledge. He's guilty, rah, rah, rah.
He ought to swing.
He's gonna swing. Everybody's gonna swing.
Swing, sing, like a birdie in the spring.
Heidi-ho, everybody's got that swing.
Harlem does that Susie Q.
Elves and pixies do it too. Peck and watch them go. Oh, pixies, oh.
How about the guillotine?
No, he gets the youth machine.
He gets the youth machine.
He gets the youth machine.
Time marches backwards.
He's right. Bobby's a smart boy.
He's a regular fella.
Right again.
You know, he's
He's a regular fella. He's a regular fella.
This has been a presentation of the Library of Congress. Visit us at loc.gov.